Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Okta Verify enrollment for new devices step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to your organization's Okta sign-in page. Enter your username and password to log in. Locate the prompt indicating that you need to enroll a new device. Click on the option to enroll in Okta Verify. You will be directed to a page with instructions for setting up Okta Verify. Download the Okta Verify application on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play. After installing the app, open Okta Verify on your mobile device. Select Add Account within the app. You will be prompted to scan a QR code or receive a push notification. Return to your browser, where you should see a QR code displayed on the screen. Using the Okta Verify app, scan the QR code. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, your device will be enrolled. You may receive a notification on your mobile device to confirm enrollment. Check your mobile device for the confirmation and approve it if necessary. After approval, you will see a confirmation message on your browser. You can now securely access resources using your newly authorized device. If you encounter any issues, refer to your organization's IT support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.